Tezos value equivalent to 19.6 to 19 rands a coin. The present cost range 1880 186 19 649. The earlier day close 19.543. The change was plus 76 plus 4%. Reverse rate Tezos Xtz. Tezos cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at 22.54 rands. Excessive cost 23.26, while low cost 20.22. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.94. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 21.74. Change for August 3.5%. Tezos gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at 21.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 26.99, while low cost 21.74. They found the middle value of cost 23.92. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 25.22. Change for September 16%. Tezos cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at 25.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 29.86, while low cost 25.22. They found the middle value of cost 27.05. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 27.91. Change for October 10.7%. Tezos gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at 27.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.71, while low cost 27.91. They found the middle value of cost 29.78. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.57. Change for November 9.5%. Tezos cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at 30.57 rands. Exorbitant cost 32.49, while low cost 28.23. They found the middle value of cost 30.41. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 30.36. Change for December's on 7%. Tezos estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 30.36 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.36, while low cost 24.94. They found the middle value of cost 28.12. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 26.82. Change for January 11.7%. Tezos cost expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at 26.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.91, while low cost 24.25. They found the middle value of cost 26.27. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 26.8. Change for February to 8%. Tezos gauge for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 26.8 rands. Exorbitant cost 28.33, while low cost 24.63. They found the middle value of cost 26.38. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 26.48. Change for spring 1.5%. Tezos cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 26.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.63, while low cost 24.01. They found the middle value of cost 25.99. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 25.82. Change for April 2.5%. Tezos estimate for May 2025. To start with cost at 25.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 25.82, while low cost 22.07. They found the middle value of cost 24.36. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 23.73. Change for May 8.1%. Tezos cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at 23.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.31, while low cost 21.13. They found the middle value of cost 22.97. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 22.72. Change for June 4.3%. Tezos gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at 22.72 rands. Excessive cost 27.30, while low cost 22.72. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.56. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 25.51. Change for July 12.3%. Tezos cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at 25.51 rands. Excessive cost 31.66, while low cost 25.51. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 28.07. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 29.59. Change for August 16%. Tezos figure for September 2025. Initially cost at 29.59 rands. Excessive cost 32.16, while low cost 27.96. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $29.94. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 30.6, change for September 16%. Tezos cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 30.06 rands, excessive cost 32.68, while low cost 28.40. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.42. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 30.54, change for October 16%. Tezos gauge for November 2025. To start with cost at 30.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 33.06, while low cost 28.74. They found the middle value of cost 30.81. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.90, change for November 12%. Tezos cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at 30.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 33.07, while low cost 28.75. They found the middle value of cost 30.91. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 30.91, change for December 0%. Tezos estimate for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 30.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 30.91, while low cost 25.71. They found the middle value of cost 28.80. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 27.65, change for January 10.5%. Tezos cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 27.65 rands. Exorbitant cost 34.31, while low cost 27.65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.42. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 32.7, change for February 16%. Tezos figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 32.7 rands. Excessive cost 34.86, while low cost 30.30. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 32.45. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 32.58, change for spring 16%. Tezos cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at 32.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 35.42, while low cost 30.78. They found the middle value of cost 32.97. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 33.10, change for April 16%. Tezos gauge for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 33.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 35.98, while low cost 31.18. They found the middle value of cost 33.50. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 33.63, change for May 16%. Tezos cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at 33.63 rands. Excessive cost 35.64, while low cost 30.98. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 33.39. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 33.31, change for June 1%. Tezos figure for July 2026.